Sunshine in McAllen, that's South Texas College. We've got showers and storms, though, as you go towards the coastal areas. And that was where it's expected to be kind of confined to today. We're expecting to cross the lower valley. Hard to believe it's almost a tale of two different parts of the valley. So we've got this upper level low with a surface low attached to it that's moving into west central Texas. And it's going to be moving a pretty good clip as we go through the day today. By this evening, it should be far enough east to us to bring an end to any rain chances. But Futurecast is still picking up on what we're already seeing out there. Again, a line of showers and storms in north-south orientation. I got to tell you, this computer model predicted it dead on this morning at about 3 a.m. was showing that we were going to have these showers developing right up against the coast there. Can't rule out by mid-afternoon, early to mid-afternoon, seeing a few more develop across the lower valley as that area of upper level low pressure still has to pull away from the area for us to be totally out of the woods. So we'll keep a slight chance of some showers and a rumble of thunder from basically, say, Westaco points eastward and out over the Gulf waters. Then by this evening, it all comes to an end. We'll see a few clouds kind of linger around this evening, but partly cloudy skies expected by daybreak tomorrow. There are your numbers for highs today, mid and upper 70s. Some areas have already reached that 75-degree mark. 67 out on the island with south winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting up around 25. Tonight, the winds will go light enough. We'll have still enough moisture in the area to have a little bit of patchy fog possible, with those lows down into the 50s to near 60 degrees. Our normal valley average low is 51, so we're still just a little bit above that. The bigger story, though, is going to be coming on Thursday as our next cold front dips into the area. And this is going to be another Arctic push, some very cold air. Right now, we're seeing 50s and 60s here in South Texas. That's the warmest we find across the valley today is right here in South Texas. And those temperatures have been that Arctic air first push went to the northeast, and then we've seen this next batch right up towards the north. This is going to break off and head southward, and we're going to see that again, that cold air making its way into the valley early on Thursday morning. So this is a scenario. This is Futurecast. 4 o'clock on Thursday morning, you see the front just towards our north. 65 degrees in Harlingen. 4 degrees above zero in Amarillo. Now that is a big temperature plunge as this front continues southward. 30s and 20s in the central Texas by the time 10:45 rolls around on Thursday morning. Front will be making it through here, so these temperatures will be falling here in the valley, but 30 in San Antonio, 5 in Amarillo, 26 in Austin, and Dallas at 16 degrees. And again, this is going to be the coldest air we've seen so far this season moving here into deep South Texas. A little bit closer in, look at those temperatures as we go into Thursday morning at 8:30. You can see where the front is at. It'll race through, but look, by 4 o'clock on Thursday afternoon, those temperatures continue to fall. We're going to see some mid and upper 40s with a strong north wind gusting up around 30 to 35 miles per hour. And then temperatures near freezing on Friday morning. Combine that with that strong wind, and we're going to have wind chills, or what it feels like, anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees on Friday morning. It's going to be a cold one, folks. So get out and enjoy the 75 today, the 80 degrees tomorrow, 80 degrees on Wednesday, Groundhog Day. And then everything comes screeching to a halt. Now, the one thing that we're still a little bit uncertain about is exactly how cold is it going to get. The one thing we know is it's coming.
Yes.
It's just a question of how cold and how long will it stick around. Hopefully we can get out of the 40s on Saturday, but right now, I'm not real sure about that one.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. That's why you got to make sure to follow Jim and his forecast right here on CBS 4.